grocery haul, and I don't know, this might seem really lame, but honestly I love watching these on YouTube, and just because I'm like interested to see like what other people eat and what other people buy and where they shop. So this is my huge haul, and I want to go ahead and jump into it because this food kind of has been sitting out for a second, because I went to Trader Joe's, I went to Kroger, and I went to Aldi. Aldi's, you know, you can't have grocery bags, so it's like in my Trader Joe's bag. But I got a lot of food, and I want to just go ahead and jump into it. If you find this interesting, great. Let me know in the comments down below. If you don't, I am so sorry, and just wait till next week. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and start with Trader Joe's because we love it. We love at Trader Joe's. They have really great deals on avocados. So, with that being said, I got a pack of avocados. Love an avocado. So I got a couple of limes. I'm sure there's still some in the bag, but I got a couple of limes. These are like 25 cents each, so got those. Also got Meyer lemons. Honestly, I cook with them, but these are probably more like a baking thing, but they were a really good deal, and I like lemons a lot. Fun fact about me, you'll figure out, is that I don't buy meat, and it's not because I don't eat it, it's because my parents are vegetarians, so I never learned how to make it, and I just figured that I could save a lot of money by not buying meat, so we got a lot of vegetables. I got the organic carrots of many colors. I found a recipe on Pinterest, and you do this with some Parmesan and like olive oil. It seemed really simple, and I was like, I want to try that. So I kind of want to do a video where I try weird snacks. Actually, this is probably going to happen. So I picked up this from Trader Joe's because it kind of stood out to me, but I also ordered a package where it has some fun snacks in it. But these are dried sweetened hibiscus flowers, and I don't really know. They kind of look interesting, and also there is going to be a reflectant because it is 8 o'clock, so it's extremely dark, and then I'm using a ring light, so I'm also extremely blind while I do this. So, sorry about that. Hey guys, okay, tuning in real quickly. I just want to say I'm editing this video, and I just kind of want to apologize because the lighting kind of sucks, and it doesn't it doesn't focus all the way, so I apologize, but I honestly kind of think it's interesting. It's just bear with me. It was my first time filming in the kitchen, and yeah, I just kind of want to give that disclaimer. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. I got some liquid dish soap. This is in lavender tea. I got some Parmesan, so this is just like normal Parmesan. I got it for the carrots. I got a prosciutto arugula flatbread. I got this from the freezer aisle. I got one of these before, and it was delicious, so I got 2 of them. Amazing. Definitely recommend. Since I don't eat meat, I need tofu, so I got some tofu. My friend had me try these last night for dinner because she comes over once a week. Shout out to Amber. Comes out once a week and we cook together. So we made yesterday these vegetable masala burgers. It's a vegetarian patty with Indian spices. It is so good. I thought my mom would be so proud of me for eating this. So the sauce, Zhang sauce. It's a spicy green herbal sauce with Yemeni roots. I don't know what that is, but there's cilantro, canola oil, jalapeno peppers, chili flakes, garlic, cardamom. I said that weird, cardamom. Sea salt and cumin pepper. It's just like this green like sauce, and it was so good with the patty, so I was like trying to recreate. I got some tomatoes, some grape tomatoes, and blueberries. So I got these. They're the giant ones, and I've been into them. I got a lot of fruit. And then lastly, this has meat in it, so you guys will be proud, but it is curry chicken salad. I saw this last time, and it's kind of expensive. It's $5 for this little thing. But I saw it last time, and I kind of been thinking about it, so I was like, if I've been thinking about it that much, I should probably try it. So that's all that's in the first Trader Joe's bag. Like literally, I got so much food. Obviously, I was really hungry. We got some Kroger bags coming out, so we'll save that for later. In this next Trader Joe's bag, right here, honestly, it has all my Aldi stuff in it because basically they don't give you bags unless you pay for it. So I got my smushed whole grain white bread. This is literally only 88 cents there, so it's like, heck yeah, getting some. And I'm trying to be better about what I pack for lunch because a lot of times I'll do frozen things, so it's like I can make sandwiches, it'll be really cheap, so I got that. If you guys have never had these, they are so good. Chocolate covered cherries. They get them like around the holiday season, but since holidays are over, Aldi's had these on sale for 39 cents each, so I got 3. Your girl got 3. She has a sweet tooth, so we had to get them. Some blue cheese because I want to make some more salads, and they had some strawberries over there. So basically what I've been doing is just like going to the grocery store, and like since I go to these 3 places, I have an idea of like their prices. So I try to get all the cheap things from Aldi because they have really cheap brands. Trader Joe's is more quality and more like harder things to find. And then Kroger's like everything else. Also got some batteries because needed some batteries. So that is everything I got from Aldi's and Trader Joe's. There's like literally so much stuff, so I'm just gonna move it on over. Is this even interesting? Ah, I think it's interesting for my So with not knowing how to cook meat, your girl also never really bought meat with her mom. So I kind of had to be like, they're like, how much? And I'm like, 10 slices. Like, I didn't really know what to say, and they're kind of thick, and I didn't know what to do. I was just like, yeah, that's fine. So I got that, and then they already had pre-cut cheese. I'm like, yeah, that's fine. So I got some oven roasted turkey breast, and the guy cutting the meat said I look like Priyanka Chopra, which I don't think I do. He probably was like, oh, Indian girl, but it's very nice, so thank you. And then I got some aged Gouda, and I like Gouda because she's the man, best reference, Gouda? Okay, yeah, basically. I feel really weird doing this in my kitchen because there's like apartments right across from me, so they definitely can see into my kitchen, and they see this big ring light and a girl talking to the camera, but it's fine. It's fine, we're fine. It's Valentine's Day season, so I got some Be Mine Valentine's snack cake. So I go through arugula like very quick. It's my go-to leafy greens. So I got 2 packs of arugula, and honestly, like, I just eat it with a patty or I make salads. I'll eat it with eggs. It's great. These things, amazing. They're called Thai Kitchen Spring Onion Instant Rice Soup. This is what they look like. They have a Bangkok curry flavor also. These are literally the best and easiest thing. So this is what I use instead of ramen noodles. They're hard to find. I get these at Kroger, you can get them from Publix. So I got a bunch of these. So these are just 2 of those. Next, they had this dressing, and it's honestly hella expensive. It's ginger dressing, but I'm trying to eat more salads. I actually eat salads all the time, but I usually do like lemon, olive oil, and salt for my dressing. So I'm trying to switch up my dressings, and I love, love, love ginger dressing. So I decided to pick up some ginger dressing. A fun fact is that I love vinegary things. Like, I don't know, I love kimchi, I love pickles, I love olives. There's something about it. And so I got some kosher baby dill pickles made with sea salt. I feel like I tried them with sea salt before and like absolutely love them, and I don't remember, but hopefully I did because I got 2 jars of pickles. And also, I got some roasted bell peppers so I can make some more like Greek salads with. And then I have some creamy rosé tomato and cream sauce because I got some zucchini you'll find in here so I can make zucchini noodles, because that's like a really easy recipe to make. What I'm hoping is that it makes me cook at home more by getting more groceries. And I cook at home a lot, but I genuinely ran out of food like 3 days ago, and I've been waiting to go. Oh, my eggs are upside down. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. We good. So I got eggs. I hate when things expire, so I just kind of get 6 at a time, so that way they are fresh. Butter, because I need butter for those carrot beets. If you guys haven't tried these, I was really hesitant in trying these because I love beet salads, but I was like, what is this thing? I had a like HelloFresh thing. Maybe it wasn't HelloFresh. Maybe Sunbasket. It had this exact brand in it, and I made a beet salad with it, and I actually liked it. So got some beets. So with my different salads that I'm trying to make, I wanted to get some cranberries, so I got their like do it yourself, and I literally only got that many because I won't eat that many, but there's 50 cents. Try to save some money. Gotta have some iceberg lettuce, you know, can't only eat arugula. Bananas, Granny Smith apple, blackberries. So at this point I have blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Y'all might think I'm crazy. Got some more tomatoes because I go through tomatoes so quickly. People either love tomatoes or hate them. I absolutely love them. Zucchini, totally frozen pack things, so I figured I could just make this one night and it'd be good for like 2 days worth of lunch. So I did that. And honestly, that was my haul. This is going to fill me up for a week, 2 weeks? Maybe 2 weeks. About 2 weeks of food, 2.5 weeks of food. I don't really know. But this was my haul. Yep, that's about it. This is it. This is this week's video. So if you liked it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, comment, and okay, bye. See you guys next week.